Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show you all how to turn on active status on TikTok. So let's get started. Tap on profile at the bottom right corner, open main menu, tap on three lines at the top right corner, proceed to settings and privacy, go to privacy, and here you will see active status. Let me explain for what you need active status and how it's work. When this is turned on, you and the followers you follow back will see each other's active status. You will see each other's active status only when both of you turn this on. So your friend and your followers should enable active status when you write something on messages. You will see this person when online and active on TikTok. So you just swipe this header to the right side to turn on active status on TikTok. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.